In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice on Jobber Desktop. If you already have an invoice created and you're signed in on your computer, this will take just a minute. Start on the Jobber home screen, then head to the left-hand menu and open Invoices. This takes you to your list of invoices, where you can quickly narrow things down. Use the search field at the top to look up the invoice you want to send. You can type a client name or an invoice number to find it fast. When you see the correct result, click to open that invoice. On the invoice page, look for the More menu. From there, choose Send As, and then pick Email. Jobber will open an email composer with the invoice attached and ready to go. In the To field, select or enter the recipient. Make sure you're sending it to the client's preferred contact so it doesn't get missed. Next, fill in a clear subject. A simple format like invoice number from your business helps your client recognize it immediately. Add a short, friendly message that sets expectations. You can thank them for their business, note what the invoice is for, and include the due date or payment terms. Keep it concise but helpful. If you need to include any supporting details, choose your attachments. This is great for estimates, photos, or signed work orders that back up the invoice. Attach only what's necessary and double-check that files open correctly. If you'd like a record in your inbox, turn on Send Me a Copy. It's a good habit for tracking and for quick reference during follow-ups. When everything looks right, click Send Email. Jobber will send the message to your client and record it on the invoice timeline so you can confirm it went out. That's it, you've sent an invoice from Jobber Desktop quickly and professionally.